Go, Teddy. No. Wait. Go. Let Teddy go.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god. What the fuck is you on?
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Gonna tell on me?
Yeah.
Huh?
I mean, no, I ain't gonna tell on you, bro. As a matter of fact, I'm leaving.
Where you think you going?
Oh, the little Michael house? What?
You gonna tell on me, ain't you?
Teddy. No. Wait. Go. Let Teddy go.
No! What are you doing? Beans! What are you doing? Meow. Meow.
What happened? Did he hurt you? Come here, sweetie. It's okay, I got you. Cooper, what did you do?
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
All right, Bruce, I'm gonna put this thing on your head and I want you to tell the whole world who you really are, okay?
I'm cutting that.
Jeez, that really hurt my throat.
I ain't going down there.
Scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no.
Still, little buddy. Tiny pilot coming through. Helmet on and lift off. Look at you go. Coming back down. Easy.
Gymnastics champion or just very hungry.
Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Helping with the heavy lifting.
Shut up.
Orange inspector measures the stairs. Woodwork is his passion project. Glitch in the cat matrix again.
Oh, what the? What that mean? Are you?
Top 10 anime betrayals.
This is absurd behavior. Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Did it squeak? Yeah. Thank you.
Surprise cat delivery via Window Express. Suction cups 0, gravity 1.
Stop yelling at me. I don't need the tune.
That should you.
Curiosity killed the cat's dry fur. Core cat chose the fast way.
Steps.
Hand me, peasant. My lawyer's calling.
Did you fall asleep?
Yeah, he's out.
His intrusive thoughts finally won. Trapped. Other cat not today.
Sure.
Philosophical contemplation or just midlife crisis.
Hi, Sam. More of a circle can you be?
Cat definitely felt that hug. Employee of the month right there. Downloading update for this street fight. Orange cat snacks. White cat violence. Losing a battle to an airbed.
I do my schoolwork, bro. Get the fuck out of my way.
Self-care includes tasting your own feet.
Do it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Supervisor cat ensures the pivot works. Cats will literally scratch anything but. Instant regret for the tiny human.
怕什么怕？不准怕。
Shows the perfect moment. Orange cat failed his wrestling audition but absolutely nailed the floor routine. Cats choose violence over fame.
Head over heels in love with enemy.
Career as a ladder peaked. Your human says the word bath and you activate flight mode. Staring contest with Ah. Promotion to supervisor went to him.
Fucking light straight?
Quality control officer on duty.
He's ready.
Bird watching turned into bird catching. Staring into the void, then remembering I have an itch is the peak of my morning productivity.
Báo thủ về vi hành tung hoành nhà ngoại. Giờ cái gì nó cũng dám làm. Ngày nào cũng vậy. Ít nhất là phải leo 2 cữ.
The buffet is right there, but your social anxiety says keep a respectful distance. Your technical support falls asleep on the job and starts wrestling the hardware instead of fixing it. Cat realizes the hallway is actually a runway and the treats are the only paparazzi she accepts. My cat has two modes, pretending to be a plushie and tolerating my existence for 3 seconds. The struggle is real. Target locked. Recalculating. Error. I have reached peak roundness and cannot move. Send help or snacks immediately.
I care less how they tell it, just don't ever say this wasn't underground. But need a flexion for the section, going better, yeah, I know they hate me now. Want the realer, you can tip with the pretend. Pray and lock up, getting shots up, no attempts. Be undivided, stay big timing like this.
Người ta đẹp trai, vừa đẹp vừa ngoan vừa hiền. Đây mình có tí gọi là đẹp thì hệ thần kinh thì lại có vấn đề. Lúc nào cứ hễ đi tắm hay là vào nhà vệ sinh một cái là đứng ở ngoài cửa xong rồi ngó rồi vả người ta. Xem cái nếp xem.
Smallest security guard on the clock, but he is mostly here for the draft and the snacks.